the first thing that we did? Aaron? We made a prediction. And what was that big word I asked you? Andrew? Say it loud. Tell them.
Hypothesis.
So is a hypothesis really wrong, right?
No.
We just have to provide some evidence?
Yeah.
It's an educated guess. You're right. So what was the first? There were a few people not here, so let's catch them up. What was the first one we did? Ava.
We put a big egg into the. It was an orange egg.
We put an empty plastic Easter egg in water. We needed to decide. We need to decide would it sink or would it float. Josiah, what happened?
It floats.
It floats. But really quick before we do another one, Phoenix. His prediction was that it would sink. Why, Phoenix? And we did put some items into it, but before we did that, he said he thinks the egg will sink because what? Is there cracks in that Easter egg? Because we can open it up, right? So will water eventually get through those cracks?
Yeah.
When we first put it in there, it did not sink, did it? Did it have time for the water to get in there?
It was sealed.
Right. And we didn't really give it time for the water to get in. But look at Phoenix. Look at his hypothesis. He said if this is going to sink, so we left it in overnight. Gave it some time for that water to get in there. So was he right too?
Yes.
So what would be something we need to add in there if we were asking that question? Would a plastic Easter egg sink if we put it in water? But what would we have to add to that if we wanted a definite answer, Riley? Yeah, we're going to look at that, but what?
The grass was put in.
No, I want it. It sank. We left it overnight, and we came back.
Because the crack in the middle.
Ava.
Because it had time.
Time. Did you guys hear that?
Time.
If I'm going to ask you, if I would ask you that question and tell you to be scientists, I would have to provide you with time. If we leave it, if we put it in water, you pay attention. If we put it in water for 10 seconds, is it going to sink or float?
Float.
10 seconds? If I tell you, if I said make a hypothesis, I'm leaving the Easter egg in water overnight.
It would sink.
It would sink. So I need to be a little bit more clear with my directions, right? Okay, then I had an assistant. Martina gave us some grass. We put grass in it. Did it sink or float?
It floated, and then we left it over.
No, that's the one we left overnight. It's empty. The grass one we took away. We took out, threw it away. But the grass, we decided it was too light. It didn't make the egg heavy, did it?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, so now we're going to try a few more items on our list. And Jaslyn already asked. Sorry, guys. So Jaslyn is going to be my assistant, right? We're going to fill it with pennies. So I want you to put as many pennies in there as you can fit. And I want you guys to check down in that box. It says, well, which ones will sink the egg? I want you to check on there. Do you think jelly beans will? Don't say it out loud. Remember, we're being scientists. And we're making predictions. Turn around, Kimmy. I want you to check those boxes. If you think jelly beans will cause it to sink, I want you to check it. Carrots, dice, pennies.
Can you check all of them?
If you should, we're not really wrong until we test it, right?
If we think all of them, can we check all of them?
Yes, ma'am. If you think we'll sink.
The phone dice.
No, good question. That's a good scientist question. Andrew said, are we using foam dice? No. We're going to use regular dice that you get with your board games, okay? Good question.
Yeah, then that was.
All right, Assistant Jaslyn, how we doing?
It will. Penny will definitely.
Okay, before she goes, you want to put it in there? Okay, get one out. Wait, before she does it, I want to show you two things. And listen, and be honest, remember, there's no right or wrong. We don't know yet. I want to show of hands. Who thinks Tina, why do you think it's going to sink? Because they're heavy. Okay. And the rest of you think it'll float?
No.
No.
You
have to float?
It's gonna sink.
All right. So it looks like you think it's sink. All right, Jasmine, let's see.
Aaron needs to class. I was thinking about. I think it's gonna sink because the first time when you put one penny in there, it sank. Then the same thing's gonna happen if you put more than one.
Oh, kiss your brain a little bit. Look what happened.
And it looks huge.
Listen, I want everybody to listen what Aaron just said. I was very, very proud of him. Told him to kiss his brain.
What did he say?
Listen. Carla. Yesterday, listen.
When Jackson was talking to Miss Bennett about, he said anything that is small won't sink. So it said penny. So I thought that it would sink because you showed Jackson because you got the one penny in there, and then I'm thinking the same thing's gonna happen if you put more than one in there.
Okay.
Kiss your brain.
Oh, absolutely kiss your brain.
Kiss your brain. It's dirty heart.
Because yesterday he's right. Jackson thought at first anything that's light will float. So a penny's pretty light. So we tried it. And Aaron remembered it sank immediately.
There was water.
So if I had one